Welcome back everyone, and we are going to talk about the nature of bespoke data visualizations, what they are, and how can we achieve these in Tableau. But before that, we need to appreciate the following. Tableau provides out-of-the-box data visualizations aplenty. Even if you click on Show Me, you will see 24 different types, which can be combined in various flavors. For the most part, this will cover the majority of your requirements, but unfortunately, it will not cover all. You would always have a client or a use case or a situation where you're asked for more than Tableau can deliver out of the box. However, Tableau does provide you with this ability. So by using various techniques that we will learn throughout the duration of this course, we can ensure 100% coverage. But the key is, what does a bespoke data visualization look like? Take this as an example. This is a waffle chart that has been rotated, and it will show you the percentages out of 100. Now, would this be requested, and is this perfect for every occasion? Probably not. Can this be requested by a client? Potentially. How do we do this? We use several techniques, including indexes, data densification, Windows calculations, and this can be built. How about the following? This looks akin to what you'll get on an Apple Watch. This is built within Tableau. This is created within Tableau, and this is also dynamic, so that when your data changes, the arrows can change as well. This is our radial bar charts, a pointed version. How about the following? I'm pretty sure we've all seen something along these lines before. This is a filled circle chart. And again, this is a bespoke data visualization that you cannot get out of the box in Tableau. However, using various tools, we can build this data visualization. Yes, we can put the num inside the circle as well. Again, this is a common requirement. Is it perfect for every occasion? Absolutely not. Will someone ask for this and insist that you develop this? Absolutely. And why not have the tools, the techniques, and the learning to be able to do this? How about this little beauty? One of the things that has been requested more often than not is curved lines within Tableau for using or for building or displaying area charts or line charts for that matter. This again has been built within Tableau, and this is completely dynamic. It requires several techniques to be applied, but this is an area chart that is curved. Lastly, this is our sunburst chart. This is essentially a hierarchy map where the inner circles represent the topmost element. So take for example the blue. Imagine if that's Europe. The second layer, the individual segments, can represent a different country. Now, is it apparent what the values are when you look at it? You can see the basic proportions, but if you highlight and hover over, you can immediately see that there's a light blue which is dominant. You hover over that, you can see the information. You can see that in the green segments, there's only 2 elements that make up the whole. You can see in the orange there are 3. There are different ways of showing information, and this sunburst chart is actually one that we'll go through from end to end on how to build this. Yes, we will learn the techniques, the math, and all the tools required to build this data visualization in Tableau, and this will be our end-to-end example. This also has special significance for me because this was the first time I saw a bespoke data visualization, and I just felt, wow, this is possible in Tableau. And I thought, wow, I need to learn how to build this. And this is the inspiration behind me actually blogging, my tutorials, the Tableau Magic website, and my journey in Tableau is all thanks to this one data visualization. So hopefully you're excited about your journey into bespoke data visualizations and you're ready to move forward. But before that, we still have to cover a few more housekeeping issues. So see you in the next video.